Hey guys, email marketing has always been something up until a few years back that I neglected. And I'm going to tell you why that's a big mistake in just a second. But it's something as well that used to frustrate me because you could sit down at the computer with a white page and that black cursor just flashing at you thinking, I just don't know what to write. So I want to give you my top tips to making email marketing a little bit more simple as a small business owner. And hopefully it will help you create more business. So hey everyone, it's Dawn here. Welcome back to the Creative Biz Hub, where I help creative business owners with their offline and online businesses in order to attract more clients and turn more browsers into bookings. So today we're going to talk about email marketing, and I'm going to give you my 5 top tips. So let's just get right into it, because email marketing is definitely something that I didn't use for a really long time, and then I kind of realized the power of it, particularly the power of automating my email marketing, that then suddenly I'm booking more customers. It was in my offline hair and beauty business. I started booking more customers because you know why? Because they were connecting with me. I was ignoring them, but the minute I engaged with them over my emails, they would suddenly remember, oh, hey, that was Dawn. Oh, she did weddings and she was in my area and I'm going to go check her out again. And the next thing I knew, I've got a booking. So having email marketing has definitely shown me, and using a good email marketing system has definitely shown me that it's worth it in your local business and in your online business as well, because I use them all the time now. All right, so tip number 1, automate everything. If you can automate it, and I'm talking your welcome sequences, if you can automate following up with clients after they've had a service with you, if you can automate if they have connected with you, automate calendar bookings. Use as much automation as you can. Set things up in advance. Make it easy for yourself. If you want some help, and I've got some resources below, just click the link below this video and I can help you with your email marketing. But definitely automate as much as you can, but personalize it. So make sure that you're using then people's names to make sure that they realize that it's not too bot-like, right? We don't want it to be too standardized. We definitely want to personalize our emails, but you want to automate them to make it a lot easier. You don't want to be emailing somebody every day. Okay, the second thing is that you can set up some shortcuts in your phone on your keyboard. Even you can have a Google Doc with some shortcuts, notes on your phone, whatever you want to do. But what you're going to find is that when people email you back, or even if they're going to, and when I say email marketing, this probably would include kind of text message marketing and even messenger marketing, right? People are going to ask you probably the same questions over and over again. People are going to contact you for certain reasons, and you're going to have frequently asked questions. Most businesses do. So whatever your frequently asked questions are, store and save those to make, again, life easier, so that when you're emailing people back, you're literally just cutting and pasting, your standard replies, and then you can just, adjust it very slightly, and it just makes things so much easier as far as emailing goes, that you're not having to type out the same thing over and over again. All right, number 3 is similar to this, but you want to create email templates. So when I say email templates, what you need to do is, when you're doing, let's say you're doing email blasts, or you're doing regular emailing of a newsletter, right, every single week or every single month to your customers. Create yourself a template for that. So create yourself, so it's got your header already there. You've got some blank places where you can just drag and drop some either videos or photos. Have all of your social links at your bottom. Have your signature all ready for you. So again, using a really good email service provider, you can set all those things up. You can create templates in them. Again, drop me a note below, or you just click on some of my links around this and resources around this video to help you with that. But you can set up a template, and that means that when you go to delivering your newsletter, which is basically kind of an update on what you've done in the last month or so, then you are literally just filling in the gaps. And again, it just means that it makes it just less of a chore, less of a task for you. All right, number 4 would be to outsource it. So if you can afford to, there are a lot of email marketers out there that will help you me being one, the Creative Biz Hub can help you with this, is that we can actually you can actually outsource this to us, and we will actually do it for you. So we'll talk with you, we'll confer with you every week, but we will create your email newsletters, we'll create your email sequencing, and we'll get it set up for you, so that basically all you're doing probably every week is getting a note from us where we're saying, hey, what have you been up to this week? Fill out this form, send it back to us, and we'll create your newsletter from the details that you've just given us. So it makes things so simple. But if you've got the money, definitely look at outsourcing it. Okay, and my fifth tip for making email marketing just that little bit easier is for weekly content, just share what you did this week. So if you're thinking to yourself, I need to get going with my email marketing, one of the things that we do when we email our customers is that we just share what we've been up to. So what I might do is I might say, every single week I follow a kind of I follow a pattern where I might talk about what I've been up to, personally. I might add in then what has been, what's happening in the business. I might talk about the live streams I've had this week, or the latest video that I've got up and the links to it. So just talk about what you've done this week for the business, for your customers. You could talk about if you've had some reviews, if you've actually been with customers, you've run a workshop, maybe you've seen clients this week. You could talk about them, share some images of what's happened. So always just look at it as a diary. Look at it as, make a few notes during the week as to the things that you might want to talk about in your emails on every Friday, and just use your what have I done this week as the easiest thing to be able to share with your customers, especially if you've got some new specials out. You can obviously make offers in your emails, and you can get people to watch your videos. So make it really simple for yourself. I'm going to run through those one more time. So number one is to automate everything that you can. Number two is to set up those shortcuts for your frequently asked questions. Number three is to create templates so you can literally just drag and drop things and fill in the gaps. Number four is to outsource it if you have the money. And number five, for weekly content, just share what you did this last week. All right, guys, that's it for this week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I hope that you're enjoying my videos. Please give me a thumbs up if it's been helpful today. And I shall see you all again next time. Bye for now.